Hair is like the first thing that people see about you. People judge you based on your hair. So I'm a little bit apprehensive about things that are really difficult to maintain. Hair, I think, can make or break your confidence, and hair is really important to me in terms of how I look and present myself. Hi, I'm Anjali, and I'm getting hair contouring highlights today. I'm looking to get caramelly, lighter brown highlights. I want something that's gonna really brighten up my face and look better without as much effort. Right now, my hair feels really flat, and I feel like the color isn't really doing my face any favors. When I was a kid, I had very short hair and like little bangs. It was very cute. And then once I got into high school, my parents were pretty open to me dyeing it. So I've done a lot of crazy colors, but it's always looked kind of streaky and crazy. And then when I moved to LA, I went for short hair, and I really, really like that look, but I'm not feeling the plain color as much. During the pandemic, my usual hairstylist was ghosting me, and I just impulse cut my hair with like kitchen scissors, which I should not have done because one side was much shorter than the other. It was terrible. And ever since then, it still has been a struggle with my hair, growing it out and making it look normal after I massacred it. My mom is very much of the mindset that your hair is the most important thing right after your eyebrows, and I'm really excited for her to see my new transformation. I'm a little scared that it's gonna be high maintenance. I'm excited for a change and for it to just look a lot cooler than it does now.
My name is Emma, and I'm a hair colorist at Tab & Spark Salon in Los Angeles. I would say that I'm known for blondes and blonding, and my specialty is more lived-in color and more natural sun-kissed looks. I work with some influencers and some celebrities like Jay Kissa, Jessica, and Violetta. Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Anjali.
What are we doing today?
Today I'm hoping to brighten up my hair and my face and do some fun highlights that will hopefully be low maintenance. Something that I can sort of just wake up every day and not have to style a lot.
So basically we'll add some subtle highlights, a little bit brighter on the face, and something that will incorporate a lot of your natural color. So it'll grow out and you don't have to feel like you have to be here every 6 weeks.
That'd be amazing.
Okay, perfect. Let's get started. I'm going to be giving Anjali a lived-in sun-kissed caramel highlight today with a natural root. I will begin highlighting Anjali's hair. I know what pieces I'm going to lighten because I factor in the way that the sun hits the hair, so I will try to mimic it in a natural way where it's not too light, but it is just enough like the sun just hit it. As I go through the highlights, I will back comb some of the ends of her hair without highlighting everything so that it's a seamless blend. Then I will go through and I will take a diffuser to the ends of her hair so that it lifts with the rest of her hair because it's not going to get as much natural heat from her head, so that it lifts evenly. Then I will take each highlight out as it's ready so that it is a very clean, even canvas. Then I will go through and I will rinse out each part of the head that is ready. I will put a conditioning treatment over it while the other side is processing. Then I will towel dry her roots, apply the root gloss, and I will use one shade at her hairline and one shade at the rest of the head so that it mimics a very natural color. Then I will take all of the ends of her hair, lift up and rinse thoroughly, towel dry at the shampoo bowl, and apply the all-over gloss for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once I've shampooed and conditioned her hair, I will take her to the chair while I will brush her out and apply some of my favorite products like a moisturizing oil and a anti-humidity oil. Then I will blow dry with a round brush to give it a nice shine and start forming the wave that I want to create. Then I will take a 1-inch curling iron to her hair and I will pull it out as it's ready to give it a very nice subtle wave. All right.
Oh my God. It looks amazing. I love it.
Yay!
When I looked in the mirror, I was so surprised. It was so beautiful and bright. It really changed up my face, and it was something that I couldn't have even imagined as a color on myself. Oh my God, it looks so good in selfie mode too. Hello!
Oh my God, I can't believe it. Wow.
Do you like it?
Totally. It looks fabulous. Oh my God. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, I want to be in your chair.
You still have your natural coming through. You're not gonna have a crazy line that grows out, and then you just get like a haircut and it'll still look good. Shorter and shorter and shorter.
Yeah, it's better than what I expected. I don't even think I could have imagined this. It looks so good. I think it looks very relaxed and low maintenance, but still elevates my entire look. So even if I'm in casual clothes or not wearing a ton of makeup, my hair will look amazing.
How Anjali should upkeep this look is honestly every once in a while where maybe she feels like her hair is a little too warm, she can come in and get a gloss, and that will just restore the tone. She should also get a water filter because the water in Los Angeles is not great and can change the color of your hair. And she should probably come in every 5 to 6 months just to keep that soft blend looking great and maybe just some added dimension at the ends.
I wish that I had found Emma sooner, and I wish I had made this change when I first came out to LA. I absolutely love this look. I'm never changing.